Welcome to CoADEP Academy, where we help you sharpen your skills for exams. We are going to work with the PPF. This is the third lesson that we are having on PPF, and this is for intermediate and advanced levels. Here, the PPF is going to be presented in the form of a function. We have a PPF shown. We have commodities X and Y that we are to produce. Our first duty is that we have to tell what A represents. In the function, we have A. So this A, what does it represent? Let's put Y to 0. When we put Y to 0, everything here is going to be 0. And X is going to be equal to A. That means if we are not producing any Y, we are going to get X equals A. So, A is the highest quantity of good X that can be produced. This is achieved when no unit of good Y is produced. Now question 2. What does increase in A represent? We are saying that A is the highest of commodity X that we can produce if we don't produce any Y. A is the intercept of good X. So the moment the intercept shifts upward, it means that we can produce more of both goods. So if we have a PPF, a curve for X and Y, and the intercept increases, it means that we can produce more of both goods. So increase in A represents an outward shift of the PPF. And when we have an outward shift of the PPF, we say that we have economic growth. Kindly refer to lesson 1, where we worked with the curve, and you are going to get answers. We want to know the opportunity cost of producing J more units of good Y, and we are producing K quantities of Y. So this is the function. If we want to know the opportunity cost of producing Y, then we have to differentiate X with respect to Y. And the derivative of X with respect to Y is this. We take the exponent, we multiply it, and we get 2by. Then we subtract 1 from the exponent. So when we take the derivative of X with respect to Y, we have negative 2by. To get the opportunity cost, we have to work out for the change in X. So the X is how much we are going to lose by producing some quantities of Y. Opportunity cost of producing some quantities of Y is the X, which is given as this. But in our question, let's take notice that the quantity of Y was K, and we are going to increase it by J. So let's put this into the function. Opportunity cost of producing J more of Y when Y is K is what we have shown. Now let's put in figures and work with specific functions. This PPF has been given. What is the opportunity cost of producing 0.4 more units of good Y when Y is 40? We take the derivative of X with respect to Y, and that is going to give us negative 0.2Y. And when we multiply through by dy, we are going to get the X equals this. Now Y is 40, dy is 0.4. Let's put in values and we are going to get this. When we solve it, we are going to get negative 3.2. So that is the opportunity cost. We are going to lose 3.2 units of X in order to produce 0.4 more units of Y when Y is 40. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share to support my channel.